This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Keller. Highly desirable CLUBVIEW floor plan on one of the best lakefront lots in this community. Enjoy magnificent sunset views over the widest portion of this sparkling 240-acre lake, almost a mile across. Large outdoor living area includes heated saltwater pool with oversized spa, outdoor kitchen, picture frame screen and plenty of seating space. This 3,077 square feet great room floor plan offers 4 BRS plus den plus bonus room/office along with 3 full baths and amp, 3-car garage. The luxurious master suite not only has a large bedroom and well-appointed bath but also 2 huge walk-in closets. This home is loaded with upgrades that include 0 corner sliders, oak floors in main living areas, luxury package kitchen upgrades, KitchenAid appliances, flat tile roof and amp, stone front elevation, tray ceilings and amp, crown molding and storm smart hurricane shades for lanai. Located on one of the wide, 72 feet, lots that also enjoys having no homes across street. Corkscrew Shores offers resort-style amenities that include community pool, dining, fitness center, kayak/canoe launch, fishing pier, 5 tennis courts, pickleball courts, bocce and more. Excellent location in Estero, convenient to airport, entertainment and amp, beaches. For more information, review the details below.